Yo. Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego, we pass it round hot potato. Everything is nuevo, I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso, need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes Lord, I'm thankful, another day on my schedule. Steady blocking the devil, I tell a hater, God bless you. Cherish moments that special, you gotta keep the memento. If you love me, then I love you, and I could never forget you. Some memories don't fade, sometimes you miss the old days, but nothing change less you change what's around you. How you think, how you live, how you speak, how you walk, how you blink, how you talk, how you teach, how you reach, let it sink. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. What's your purpose, what's your passion? Did it pain, what's your plane? Is it plane, on a plane, how'd you play? I'm just playing. A beat by Joby, feel like Obi-Wan.
Some food, and right now we're in the produce aisle or produce fridge section, and I'm gonna pick up some baby Bella mushrooms. I love baby Bellas because they're more, I know a lot of vegans, they substitute their meat with baby Bella mushrooms because it has a meatier texture. There's a lot of benefits that comes with mushrooms along with brain function and helping to prevent Alzheimer's. So we're gonna pick this up. Trying to find, yeah, they got some organic strawberries, but I don't know if we should get the big container because I feel like there's some organic blueberries. Let me go around and grab some organic. No, they don't have organic blueberries. But whenever getting blueberries, we always opt for organic. Unfortunately, this Costco doesn't provide the organic berries, but organic is preferable because all of the toxins get seeped into the fruit and vegetable itself. So we want to make sure that we're maximizing our benefits and lowering the inflammation. And that's what the pesticides and herbicides does when we're consuming fruits and vegetables that are not organic. So getting organic helps to lower the inflammation and gives us the most nutrients. Right now, let's try to find some more organic stuff.
Passion, good pain, what's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane?
Are you cold?
What's your plan? What's your purpose?
Are you
what's your
cold?
passion? Did it pain? What's your plan? Is it plane, on a plane?
All right, so as I mentioned previously, the benefits of organic, and that's why I'm reaching for organic baby spinach, magnesium, iron, calcium, amongst other benefits. Along with the benefits of the micronutrients of baby spinach, it also may help to reduce blood pressure and oxidative stress. So we're gonna grab this. Put this in our shakes, eat it with our meals. Very easy to get a lot of nutrients and with baby spinach, because you could eat a lot of this and it's not calorie dense. So that's another plus to baby spinach.
I ain't tripping over shit because I'm watching my step.
Grab some organic Gala apples. Gala apples are my favorite actually. So these organic Gala apples, well, organic apples period, will help to keep you fuller because it's a nutritional dense snack. And if you have a sweet tooth, that also helps to take care of that sweet tooth as well. I like to pair my apples with sometimes honey. If I have a major sweet tooth, some chia seeds, and that way I get that crunch. She loves apples.
Wow.
Wow, it's a big container of apples, Mama. That's a lot. Yes. Okay. Oh, we gotta get a better one. Press this chicken breast, which is preferred over the regular conventional chicken breast. The benefit to that is we're eating whatever produce we're eating whatever the poultry is eating. So because we want to make sure that we're getting the best quality, but in terms of nutrients, eating organic meat is going to provide that. Less saturated fats, more so of the benefits. We're going to receive more of the benefits of the meat itself. So whenever you're purchasing your meat, poultry, make sure that you're paying attention to the price per pound. This one is a lot affordable because it's $4.99 compared to other stores. So looking at the total price, it may kind of like deter you away from purchasing it. But when you're paying attention to the price per pound and the amount that you're getting, this is actually more beneficial in the long run. So because we're meal prepping, making sure that we're getting high quality meats, larger quantities for affordable price, $4.99 per pound. Hey, you can't beat that, we'll grab the tag. We gotta make sure we get some good ones. We go for ground beef, organic, grass-fed, grass-finished. This, one of the reasons why we want to make sure that we minimize our caloric intake when we're taking in mayo. Mama? But as I always mention, Sir Kensington mayo is one of the best mayos that I like to consume because of the ingredients in here. You have avocado oil, humane free range egg yolk. They don't have the organic version. I might just try to just opt for this option, avocado oil. But again, I always want to go for organic. So this is one of my top go-to mayos when I do get mayonnaise. All right, we're gonna grab some pink Himalayan salt. Yes, we're getting pink Himalayan salt. One of the top salts to get.
Taking time out to be and live my life.
So for some of the items that you didn't see in Costco's, well, so for some of the items that we couldn't pick up at Costco's, we stopped at Whole Foods to get, because nutrition is key. We want to make sure that we're not stepping out to like binge or just completely go out of our like idea of eating healthy. So we have some wild caught salmon, sake-eye salmon fillet from Whole Foods. It's almost 3 pounds. Then we have some, of course, the omega-3s in here are great for joint support, especially because we're active all the time. The omega-3s help to provide that joint support as well. You have the broccoli, you have your Cruciferous Veggies. And I love, one of the benefits of Cruciferous Veggies for me is the fact that they help to keep me full, especially if I'm not having a carb-dense meal. This is definitely, broccoli is my go-to. Have that, it give me that, it has a sturdier texture. We always go for the organic potatoes because, of course, the chemicals from the pesticides and herbicides can seep into the potatoes. So we want to make sure that whenever we eat them, they're organic. We always, for the most part, we opt for red potatoes. But right now we have the regular, I think these are Idaho potatoes. If they're not, they're Reset potatoes. And yeah, these are a great carb source, high in potassium. One of the electrolytes to help to replenish our bodies post-workout. So this is great to replenish any glycogen stores that has been depleted during the workout, or if I needed a carb source throughout the week. But I have to be very careful. Of course, potatoes are good, but yeah, they can be very carb dense, and we want to make sure that we're monitoring the amount that we consume daily. So that's that. And with Paige, she's a picky eater, so she loves these potatoes as well. Fried, baked, however we prepare them, she loves them mashed. So that is an option for us as well. And then, of course, you see here the baby bananas. Of course, we know the benefits that come with bananas. They're high in nutrition. And Paige, she loves bananas as well. So that's another. Bell peppers, of course, these are high in nutrition. Another vegetable or go-to vegetable source. We have our tomatoes, organic tomatoes as always. And blueberries. We need this for our breakfast bowl. Antioxidants, anti-aging properties. We always go for cold pressed orange juice. Has more nutrition, and it's like the old school way of getting your orange juice. It's cold pressed and organic. And this, we have the organic watermelon. Of course, this is high in potassium, and because it has more water, it makes it lower in calories. And we love this. Paige loves it. And also with the organic watermelons, it's also great for recovery as well. So that's everything that we picked up from Whole Foods. And
All right, okay. All right, you guys, that's it for now. That's it for our video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give us a like. Don't forget to do that. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Taking